If you're wondering how you can record slow motion videos on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now to do that, just open the camera app. Now at the bottom of the screen, just swipe to the right side and select slow mo. And after you select slow mo, you will be able to record slow motion videos out of the camera of your iPhone 16. Now to start recording your slow motion videos, just tap on the record button over here. Just like that. Now after you're done recording your time-lapse video, just tap on the record button to stop recording. And if we go to the home screen and if we open the Photos app, as you can see, this is the slow motion video which we have recorded. Just like that. And this is how you can record slow motion videos on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.